Question number 3 is about what is found after the completion of the reaction. Of course, after completion of the reaction, we will find the products. So carbon dioxide and water must be there. So the problem is whether we can find methane or find oxygen. And that means that we are talking about which one is excess. So we have to count the mole first, okay? Look at CH4. The relative atomic mass of this molecule is 12 times 4 is 16. So we have 64 grams of methane, so we have 4 moles of methane. For the oxygen molecules, the relative atomic mass is 32. So we have 96 grams of oxygen, so we have 3 moles of oxygens. As in the reaction, 2 oxygen reacted with 1 methane, so 3 moles of oxygen only react with 1.5 mole of methane. So methane is the excess reactant, so it will be left behind after the completion of reaction. So after completion of reaction, we'll see methane, carbon dioxide, and water. And the answer is C. Thank you.